How to set up email campaign in System.io step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through the steps on how you can set up an email campaign in System.io in the easiest, most simplest ways possible. So to allow yourself to do this, what you are going to want to do is you're going to come up to emails over here. And once you go over to emails in your System.io, you're going to go to campaigns. Once you're over here, you're going to create a random campaign. Okay, I'm just going to give it this name, for example. I'm going to click on save. Once you click on save, then you're going to click on this email campaign once again, and it's going to open up this section. You're going to click on create again, and now you're going to want to choose a subject. So let's say I'm going to call this test. Okay, it's a test subject. You're going to add in your sender name. I'm just going to add in this name, choose the sender email, go with either the classic editor or visual editor. I'm going to go with the classic editor, click on save. Visual editor is more like a drag and drop website email builder. This is your classic editor where you can edit your emails. And once you've edited the email with the different bodies and stuff, click on save and publish, choose the time you want to activate it on, and yeah. That is how you're going to set up email campaigns in System.io in the easiest way possible. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.